Okay. Time to find these interesting dogs. Alright. Gotta make sure I feed one of them. You know, it's a very interesting game. Very interesting game where you feed hyenas. Yes. Yes. Oh, Dottie, I think I ate too much. Need to come over here and dig out a bugger. Oh! Well, that was interesting to watch. Alright, let's just enjoy more of this incredible gameplay. Alright, trying to throw some meat at a Dustmane Howler. Oh, mommy. Oh, God, the meatloaf was so tasty. Oh, something's coming out of my ass. Oh. Okay, alright. Let's rinse and repeat again. Alright, here's some salted steak. Oh, that is some delicious steak. Oh, wait, my stomach is feeling funny. Oh, let me walk over here. Out in the open. Nobody can see me. Not that I care anyway. Oh, God. Oh, yes. Oh, let me go run. Alright, next one. How about you, Bobby? Oh, this is quite tasty. Oh shit, I'm farting in my ass. I gotta go over here. We go out in the open. Is anybody looking? Nobody's looking. Alright, let me spread my legs. Oh, Jesus. Oh, for I've sinned. Oh, I gotta run over there now. Oh. Man, this quest sucks. What is he doing? He just went from the bridge and went all the way down here to the middle of the fucking pathway to take a shit. He just scratched himself before he took a shit. Are you like not gonna pick it up? Just gave up? You're not gonna pick up that shit?
I got more over here.
You like gave up on it? Like whatever. This is... What kind of design was this? Who thought this was a great idea to have random dogs taking a shit? Oh, great, I'm getting attacked by dogs surrounded by shit. He actually tried to feed one of them. It actually worked. He took a shit in the same spot as the other shit. Oh.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, it's high quality fertilizer, he says. I love the fact that we have nothing to pick it up. Just pick it up with our fucking disgusting bare hands.